is bright, matter falls into the light. Every thought a silent prayer, all as one we disappear. No more edge, no more divide.